But she was very beautiful, you know. So like I told her, like, you know, I should take you out to dinner, you know. So who knows?
Yo, you heard that?
Yeah, I heard that. Just want to check it out.
Yeah, let's go.
Goddamn it, Richard! I was fucking that cousin last night. It was a little amazing though.
Right on, Bobby. I've been fucking my cousin since we met. Did you hear that? Did you hear that?
You heard
Go
that?
get a TNT, Bobby. Goddamn
Hey,
it.
you better check
Go.
that
I
out.
got it right here. I got him.
Yeah, fool. You heard about that girl Jennifer? She was going crazy down the block.
Oh yeah, fool. That whole represent.
You got
Oh
it.
hell no, fool.
Fool, you heard
Go
that?
get the lowrider, bro. We out of here.
With the
That's
key,
it.
with the key.
Get the key. Fuck.